remember the boho braid I made, right?
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then call me.
Hey guys, it was not an easy journey. Honestly, trust me. I am never trying out that hairstyle again, except I am ready to carry it for long. If not, no way I am doing that. Guys, this hair took me forever. Like, it took me forever. Oh my god. Like, I spent a lot of hour because I couldn't count the hour, but I know that I spent so much time taking out this hair. Guys, it was not an easy journey, okay? But I made it. I made it. Yeah, I did it. So firstly, I hydrated and moisturized my hair, then applied some oil to, to make sure that everything went smoothly because I don't want to lose any hair. And of course, I trimmed out my split end, which is also important because I have not done that in months. So I decided to trim it to keep my hair growing healthy and longer.
2,000 years later.
I bet you don't know that growing natural hair was so easy. Of course, it is so easy. You don't have to do too much. Like, you don't need to do too much. I don't do too much. And of course, my hair is growing healthy and long. Okay. You just have to have a hair care routine, wash your hair, condition your hair, put your hair into a protective style, repeat the same routine, and of course, you don't need to do too much, okay? You don't have to break bank before you can grow a healthy natural hair. And of course, like I said, I am never making this hair again in a hurry, okay? Because what is this? And baby girl needed to chill, okay? Yeah, needed some strength. So I am finally done. And I also put my hair into another protective style because I am not ready to style my hair. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.